Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about real-life psychology, human behavior, and relationships in a simple and honest way. Today's message is especially for women, but men should listen too, because understanding psychology helps everyone grow. In this video, we'll talk about 7 habits that slowly reduce a woman's confidence, respect, and personal value. These points are based on psychology, and once you change them, your presence becomes stronger and more respected. Stay with me till the end, because the last point can truly change how you see yourself. The first habit is underestimating yourself. When a woman constantly doubts her abilities, others begin to see her the same way. Comparing yourself to others and believing you are not good enough quietly destroys confidence. Psychology teaches that you are meant to grow, not to compete. The second habit is trying to please everyone. Saying yes to everything does not earn respect. Without clear boundaries, people stop valuing you. You don't need approval from everyone. Your opinions, choices, and limits matter. The third habit is staying in toxic friendships. People who constantly criticize you, feel jealous of your success, or drain your energy are not friends. Psychology clearly shows that your environment shapes your mindset and personality. The fourth habit is over-sacrificing in relationships. Giving up your time, health, dreams, and happiness again and again makes people take you for granted. Healthy relationships need balance, not self-neglect. The fifth habit is having low standards. Accepting poor treatment out of fear or self-doubt lowers your self-worth. Psychology says what you tolerate becomes your lifestyle. Respect yourself first, and others will follow. The sixth habit is constant negativity and complaining. Always focusing on problems pushes people away. A calm, positive mindset naturally attracts respect and trust. The final habit is putting yourself last. When you ignore your mental, physical, and emotional needs, you slowly lose your identity. A woman who takes care of herself builds a stronger life and a healthier family. Remember, a woman's worth is not defined by looks or appearance, but by self-respect, boundaries, behavior, and inner strength. When these habits change, respect follows naturally. If this message helped you, support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribing for more psychology-based content. Comment below which point connected with you the most. When a woman becomes strong from within, the world learns how to respect her.